What is up everybody, Gistic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use auto-tune in Audacity. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go down to the description and paste in the link, or click on the link, sorry, and it will take you to this website right here. And then you want to click on the download Gsnap for 32-bit. Even if you do have 64-bit, 64-bit extensions won't show up in Audacity, so you need to download the 32-bit. Just give that a click. And while we're waiting for that to download, it's already downloaded, so we're going to go show in folder. Just minimize that for now, get rid of this, don't need that anymore. And now what we're going to do is we're going to find the Audacity folder. So it's located in programmed files.86 times 86, sorry, Audacity. Then you go plugins, and then and then you go back to the Gsnap. Double click, and you can just drag this in here. Continue, and bang, you've got it. So now that this is all downloaded, you can get rid of that, and you can go to you'll need to restart Audacity, so just close it, open Audacity back up. Alright, now once you've restarted Audacity, you want to go to generate, add/remove plugins, and you want to scroll down till you see Gsnap. And it says new. All you have to do is enable it, press OK. And now guys, when you go to effect, you'll see Gsnap. But the first thing we need to do is just record a little something, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and record this. Hey yo, what up homie? You know, we're gonna roll with it. So now we're gonna select this. Actually, let's play it for you just so you know how it sounds. Hey yo, what up homie? Sick. Alright. So what you want to do, select this, go to effect, find Gsnap, open that up, and it will bring you this little section. Alright, so you can select, you guys are better off just playing around with this. It's too hard for me to explain, and it will take a whole nother video, but alright, so you guys can just play around with this. I'm not too experienced in this program. I know a little bit about it, so we're just gonna, no, we're not going to speed it up. We're just going to change this around and see if we can get something cool. Alright, so as you can see, hey yo, we got an effect, but it's really so we got to change it. Oh, I can't say that on YouTube anymore. Family friendly content, I forgot about that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and apply that. Exit out of this, and we're going to see how it sounds. See if it doesn't sound any better. Hey yo, what up homie? Alright, that is alright, now you guys can officially sound like a rapper. Well, a mumble rapper. Alright, so you guys can just play around with that. Get the sound how you like it, because everyone likes their auto-tune sounding a different way. So just play around with it for a bit and see what you like. And yeah guys, that is basically it for this video. If you guys did learn something from this video, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and also leave a comment down below if you have any troubles. I'll be glad to help, or if I can't help, I'm sure someone else will help. That is it from me. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.